So now we're in the duck's cage, and now we're going to look at what duck's family do. So this is the first duck's family, but I think they have gone swimming, and they have food, water, and mud for them to play. And also, here we have the second duck's family zone. We can cross here, and just say that duck over there. I think you can't see it. It's too far away. Look. And now, let's look at that duck over there. It's just chilling around. And now let's go to the next. We have to cross here. There's lots of mud. And now here's the third family of the duck's family. I don't know how many ducks are there? Let me count. 1, 2. I think I don't know. Okay, I think there's 20 at least. Let's go in and visit them. Hi! Have a nice day over there. Oh, yeah, it's scared of me. Well, here's their food corner. And there's their water. And there's even more over there. Let's cross this tree. But hope they don't escape from here. Okay. Whoa. Crossing here. Look, they're just chilling around. Yes. Now let's go back. I'm too scared. So that's the duck's family. That's family. Now it's time to close this so they don't escape. Come on, get in. I won't budge. Now I have to cross this again. So dirty. Okay. So you hear this chicken sound? We're going to visit the chicken cage next. Let's go.